Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback front mud flaps on a 2019 Ford Ranger. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. The hardware and bracketing included with your mud flaps allow this to be a no body drill installation process. Let's get started. To start, remove the factory push pin on the plastic liner with a Phillips screwdriver, as well as the factory bolt with a T25 Torx drive on the underside of the fender. Set both aside for later reinstallation. Next, take the provided bracket and slightly bend it so that it will match the curvature of the fender for an easier installation. Begin with the lower end of the bracket and insert it so it fits between the liner and fender as shown. Gently pull on the flare to allow the bracket to fit in between. Then, slide the bracket into place so the top of the bracket hole lines up with the factory push pin hole removed earlier and the bottom end sits flush with the flare. Now reinstall the factory push pin and bolt that were removed earlier through the fender and newly inserted bracket. Next, take the custom U-bracket and gently pull it open in order to slide it onto the wheel guard. Ensure the shorter end is facing forward. Then, re-pinch it together. Next, beginning with the middle outer mud flap hole, loosely install the mud flap with a provided black screw, nylon washer, and black stainless steel washer. The nylon washer with the larger hole is designed to fit over the rib nut on the bracket to help provide more pressure on the flap for a better fit. Loosely install the upper hole in the same way. On the lower outer mud flap hole, loosely install a U-clip, nylon washer, black stainless steel washer, and black screw. Position the U-clip so that the slot faces the outer edge. The U-clamps are there to put pressure on the outside of the wheel well to create a secure and tight fit. Then take the inner bracket and place it over the mud flap so that the flap sits between it. Loosely install it to the flap with a stainless steel bolt and washer and secure it with a washer, lock washer, and nut. With a square or level, make sure the mud flap is properly aligned to the vehicle. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Finally, securely fasten all screws and remaining fasteners in place. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.